The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh. I got into music because I wanted to encapsulate sound from many different perspectives. I wanted to study the linguistics of sound.
Bitch.
We did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Fantastic. What do you think of that one?
I like that one.
Stupendous.
I'm going to do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Hello, I'm Robert Downey Jr. I'm Iron Man. Yes, Iron Man.
Come
Hey,
on.
fuck you, man.
Did you eat him?
Russell Simmons been 80 years old for the last 30 years. He still look like he could, bag some young shorty. So I'm gonna say,
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I do.
Who's gonna be the guest?
Right.
And they said Bob Saget. I was like, oh my god, no way. I was like freaking out.
Understand.
Have you ever knocked on the door of someone you don't know? And we'll just see if he.
You right up? Anyway, I wanted to get all the way to ask.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.